malungkot, walang makausap. Baka naman kailangan mong baguhin ang iyong swerte. Now, whether it's your love life, career, or health that's in trouble, the solution is crystal clear. Ayon sa Feng Shui at Charms and Crystals guru na si Joy Lim. And we have her here on the show. Welcome to Agbabalation, Joy.
Hi, nice
Thanks
to be here.
for joining us.
Nice
Nasi-feel na
to
namin
meet
lahat
you.
ang swerteng
Ang
dala mo.
energy
Ano ba ang energy ngayon?
Of course, kasi nandito tayo magkakasama.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, for the benefit of our viewers, syempre bukang bibig na ng ating mga ka-nation, ang Charms and Crystals. Kasi
Yeah.
kilalang-kilala na siya dito sa North America, of course sa Pilipinas din.
Yes.
But for the benefit of our viewers, paano ba nagsimula ang Joy Lim sa Feng Shui?
Okay, actually kasi mahalaga syempre yung nag-aral ka. So I studied in Malaysia, somewhere in Malaysia, in Hong Kong. So yun, kailangan natin yung may aral ka talaga, alam mo yung kung ano yung talagang formula ng Feng Shui. Kasi pag hindi, baka chamba-chamba lang yung mangyayari sa'yo. So that's how I started. Plus, yung advantage pa, pag Chinese ka, like, kasi it's already a tradition, like, we have the do's and don'ts na bawal to, bawal yan, pag gumising ka ng umaga, kailangan na una yung araw sa'yo, stuff like that.
Seryoso?
Seryoso?
Mali yung ginagawa natin. Una yung ilahok ng ano.
Kaya kailangan may mga, like in our house, meron tayong mga kailangan ilagay ng mga items. Hindi yung basta-basta na lang tayo bibili. We're just gonna buy the stuff and then ilagay natin sa bahay. Kasi we have this formula kung saan we have fire, we have metal, we have water. So kailangan tugma doon sa kung ano yung elements nung lalagyan natin ng items.
Gano'n ba ka-importante na ma-learn mo yung Feng Shui? Sa araw-araw mo na...
Sobrang, like, you have to put God first, and then you have to work hard. Hindi pwede yung masipag, maano ka sa Diyos, tapos hindi ka naman masipag. Plus, yung 1/3, yun na yung Feng Shui. Kung yung nangyayari sa'yo, you work hard, and then you put God first in your life, tapos nakikita mo wala pa rin nangyayari. So, ibig sabihin, may mali. O kaya baka yung hindi mo na ma-maximize yung swerte mo. Ancient Chinese came up with this formula. They studied the universe kung saan pa ayaw kasi nila na maghirap yung kanilang pamilya. Like, gusto nila ng good descendant luck. So, they came up with this formula kung saan yung na in every part of our house, directions, inside our house, nakukuha natin lahat ng gusto natin. If you want money, it's in the southeast of your house. If you want love, it's in the south. If you want long-lasting relationship, you want descendant luck na yung baby mo, yung future niya magiging maayos, it's in the west.
So, pag manganganak ako, kailangan
Yeah, you have to check the west. No, not facing. Not facing. Kailangan yung west kasi is metal element.
Okay.
So that's the formula.
Two people who swear by your guidance and Charms and Crystals na kilala nating mga lahat. Kasi si Miss Corina Sanchez and si Chris Aquino, talagang they swear by what you have given them in terms of charms and crystals. Paano yung turn around na nakita mo sa buhay nila once they started being your client?
Yeah, okay. Ang advantage, Chris started with me sa crystals ko. Kasi, like, my crystals kasi, it's all exclusively designed for charms and crystals lang. Way back, kasi I started with a friend. Can I, like, talk about how I started the business? Yun, kasi I have this friend na ano siya, broken-hearted siya. So, gusto niya ng happiness sa love life kasi wala siyang swerte. Like, lagi siyang iniiwan ng boyfriend niya. So, sabi niya,
Nakapasaklat naman nakapasaklat ng girlfriend.
Ganyan talaga, diba?
Okay,
Sabi niya, are you going to Hong Kong, friend? Sabi ko, yeah. Sabi niya, can you buy me a Buddha kasi I broke up with my boyfriend? Sabi ko, yeah, sure, sige. Sabi ko, sige, I'll buy you. And nung pagpunta ko, I saw three Buddhas, rose quartz, jade, and white jade. So sabi ko, I might as well buy the rose quartz Buddha kasi ang problema niya, love, to bring her happiness sa love.
Kasi rose quartz.
Yeah, kasi for love yun. So yun, I got the idea from there. Sabi ko, kung ang Buddha ay pwedeng gawing crystal bracelet, so ibig sabihin lahat ng mga lucky items that we put inside our house, pwede rin natin isuot. Yes, dadalhin natin siya. Safe na tayo, plus maganda pa siya sa kamay natin. So that's how I started. And then Chris, nakita niya yung crystals. Oh my God! Sabi niya, where did you get that? Sabi niya gano'n. sabi, kasi unique nga, ganon. And then she started calling me up. That was way back before, that was during the Game Ka Na Ba show na, talaga diba, she has this rose quartz, lahat.
Oo, lahat, everyday.
Yes.
Yan.
Maybe because kasi hindi lang, it's not only, you depend on the crystals, pero syempre ito talagang malaking nagagawa sa atin because it symbolizes luck. Like if you have the frog, mahilig si Krista Frog, you mentioned about Chris, mahilig kasi ang frog ay money catcher. So ito, we have frog here, we have like this one, the holy gourd, mahilig din si Krista Buddha, that's for happiness.
So ito mga to, pina-personalize mo ba bawat
Yes.
tao kung ano yung need nila?
Pwede personalize, pwede rin like, kung anong meron na nandyan, pwede mo na it depends on your concern. Kung ang gusto mo ay pera, then money catcher
Asan yan?
dapat.
Asan yan? Meron ba yan?
Ito, si Carmina.
Carmina!
Ayan, siya pang maganda rin.
Oo.
Ano to? Ito, it's a life-changing destiny.
Changing? Hindi ko lang
Yes.
vibe ko.
This one is a life-changing destiny na available sa Starry
Ayan,
Store.
buti nabanggit yan,
Yes.
Miss Joy, kasi
Yeah.
meron tayong mga ibang items dito.
Yes.
Katulad ng mga suit namin ni Zaza.
Yes.
Available sa Starry
Starry
Store
Starry
here in
Store.
North America.
Yeah,
So,
exclusively the
Yes.
size. Well, hindi available outside.
bago natin
Yes.
isasahin to mga ka-nation ha, makinig tayo ng mabuti dahil
Okay.
syempre dito sa States medyo mahirap ang buhay ngayon,
Yes,
yung ekonomiya is
true.
slowing down. So
True.
maybe these things along with hard work and your faith in the Lord will help you also. So,
Exactly.
isa-isahin po natin.
Okay? So you want me to start with this
Yes,
one?
please. Go
Okay, ito yung pinakamagandang kailangan, it's really a must-have sa bahay natin. We call this Jambala. Jambala is a Tibetan god of wealth. She was blessed by Buddha. Kung sino yung nag-aalaga sa kanya, magbibigay siya ng kayamanan.
Kung we
Success.
just see it as like one of the
Yes,
furniture, like
symbols.
accessories
So
sa bahay.
instead of like you put home
Figures
decor siya
in.
kung mga kung ano-ano lang, it's better that you have this kasi it brings you luck. Okay?
Ay,
So
ito
this
si Buddha.
one, so si Buddha naman, si Buddha kasi happiness, harmonious relationship inside our house. Plus, ang maganda pa kay Buddha, it's an all-in-one kasi may rui siya. Ibig sabihin ng rui kasi this one is good for career. So especially
Ay,
kung,
oo.
yeah, that one, this is really good, lalong-lalo na kung wala kayong swerte sa trabaho, this is good. Kung sa trabaho ang problema, it should be in the north direction of the house.
Okay.
So you need to use a compass. We have a compass available din dito sa Starry Starry kasi yun yung key natin sa success. Kung yung mga medyo minamalas talagang lalong-lalo na ngayon, kung naramdaman nila na
Naligaw sa trabaho.
Oh my God, perfect! Talagang ito, ang dami kong testimonials dito. This is a 5 bats that brings them 5 kinds of good luck na nandun lahat. So yung sinasabi mo, maganda dito.
Okay.
And then we have, ito, si happiness sa love. So para dun sa mga namumroblema sa pag-ibig, ito,
Kasi may
tayo
rose quartz yan, ano?
Yes, because this is a rose quartz Buddha.
Alright.
And then, oh yes, ito, this one is ingot. Ito kasi, ito yung ancient money na way back, hindi pa yung coins na ginagamit. Ito yung pera ng mga ancient, our descendant, ang ancient Chinese, no? So this one symbolizes money.
At may frog pa
At
rin.
ano ang frog? It's a
Money
money
catcher.
catcher. Wow, great. So
Okay.
that one,
And the two birds.
yes, that one is for long-lasting relationship. Kasi
Okay.
lalo na pagka ang isang pamilya nagkakaproblema na sa pera, pumapasok na yung relationship, nasisira na rin. So kailangan din natin ng long-lasting relationship. Ito, Carmina, ang swerte mo, meron ka nito. It catches money. And
Okay.
then we have this one. It's an all-in-one garlic. Life-changing yun.
Okay.
It's
So
a-
how about that? Yan.
Oh my God, this one. Ito kasi, yellow kasi, ang yellow pera siya. It's like when like in your wallet. We also sell wallets here. Meron tayong mga wallets. Yung lining niya dapat dilaw. So try nyo yan. You try that. Maybe you can first try cut lang yung ano ba yung paper na yellow and then you put it parang lining ng wallet nyo. Makikita nyo how money easily comes in. Yeah.
Okay.
So like
Try
this
natin
one,
yan.
it's a money Buddha that they
Okay.
can put in the southeast of their house.
Alright.
So like before buying naman from Starry Starry, meron tayong mga directions na dapat.
Okay.
Okay.
Pagkatapos yung matutunan ng feng shui at bago pa actually, mag-invest sa compass. Yun ang ating
Ang galing mo talaga.
Oo, di ba?
that is the
Yun.
At huwag makalimutan ng mga
Charms!
Yun.
Yun.
Crystal.
Pero really, yung bracelets talaga natin, ang laking tulong. Kasi it's in our, energy natin.
Oo nga. Eh.
Okay. And don't forget, siya gagawin ko sa charm ko. Lagay ko sa
Try ka namin
bracelet.
gawing bracelet. Ikaw mismo.
Oo nga.
Ano ko lang, pocket or
Bracelet
dito.
ka lang
Mga ka-nation, ha, don't forget, all of these items are available exclusively through Sari Store dito po sa atin sa North America.
At maraming salamat, Miss Joy. Salamat sa information.
My pleasure, my
Diba?
pleasure.
And remember, mga ka-nation, for joy and good luck, siguraduhin ang suot na kristal ay totoo dahil ganit ang aking buting swerte na muwet ng baso.
Ang Tony Awards ng New York ay sa unang awards na hawig sa Tony Awards.
The main difference, though, of course,